Hello students, welcome again in our English grammar class for 12th. Students, in previous classes we have discussed about the rules of changing voice, active to passive. And in today's class we are going to start some exercise or examples of voice for practice. So before watching this video, you will have to clear your rules by watching 4 videos of changing rule. So let's start. First of all, we are taking some typical examples which are based on exceptional sentences. Example first is Rose smells sweet. Rose smells sweet. We change into passive voice such as Rose is sweet when smelt. How? Rose is sweet when smelt. Next is quinine tastes bitter. Quinine is bitter when tasted. Both sentences are same. In rules, sit down. If our sentence is only sit down, we can change it be seated. Be seated. But if our sentence sit down please word is used here, then we change it you are requested to sit down. Sit down, be seated. Sit down please, you are requested to sit down. Next is one must do one's duty. Duty must be done. Duty must be done. Next is nobody could kill the criminal. The criminal could not be killed. Next is there is nothing to say. There is nothing to be said. There is nothing to be said. We made him captain. He was made captain. He was made captain. Next is they made me laugh. I was made to laugh. I was made to laugh. Next is we saw him run away. He was seen to run away by us. He was seen to run away by us. The teacher made Mohan monitor. Mohan was made monitor by the teacher. Mohan was made monitor by the teacher. These are the typical sentences. And now our next sentences are based on common rules sentence which we discussed in previous classes. So here first is they play handball. First form is used here, present indefinite tense. Handball is played by them. Handball is played by them. Next is they were watching the match. The match was being watched by them. Past continuous and were plus first form ing. Next is the doctor had cured the patient. The patient had been cured by the doctor. The patient had been cured by the doctor. Next is he could not cross the river. He could not cross the river. The river could not be crossed by him. The river could not be crossed by him. Our next is did he write a letter? It is interrogative sentence starting with did helping verb. So we change it was a letter written by him. Was a letter written by him. Next is who broke this glass? And who change into by whom. And here second form broke. So we use here was. By whom was this glass broken? Mostly students do mistake here, as here is second form, and was and question mark also, and was is used before our subject. By so see again it, by whom was this glass broken. Next is when did you buy it? When did you buy it? When was it bought by you? When was it bought by you? Next is open this window. This is imperative sentence. So we change it with let's. Let this window be opened. Do it. Let it be done. Do it. Let it be done. Next is I knew him. He was known to me. He was known to me. Next is it is time to take tea. It is time for tea to be taken. It is time for tea to be taken. Next is people sell fresh vegetables here. So in passive voice we use fresh vegetables are sold here. Fresh vegetables are sold here. Next is don't disturb me. Let him. Don't disturb him. Let him not be disturbed. And we can change it also. You are forbidden to disturb him. You are forbidden to disturb him, or let him not be disturbed. Our next sentence is he acted upon my advice. Here upon is preposition with acted. So in passive voice my advice was acted upon by him. My advice was acted upon by him. Next is the thief has been caught. Thief has been caught. These sentences are with vague subject. So we change it. Police has caught the thief. Police has caught the thief. The road was repaired. The workman repaired the road. These two sentences are of passive voice and generally come in exam. And in active voice we add subject. So these are our sentences for examples. Thank you.